This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Pamela Froman. Spacious, open floor plan awaits. Private courtyard entrance leads to the slate entry foyer and to the large family room west/gas fireplace and vaulted ceiling. Two-story bank of windows provides lots of natural sunlight. Sliding doors open to the patio enclosed by privacy fencing. Plenty of space for a busy family or to entertain. The formal dining room flows into the family room. The inviting eat and kitchen boast Corian countertops, custom cabinets, slate flooring and newer appliances. Master bedroom west/tray ceiling is conveniently located on the first floor. The master bathroom offers a jetted tub, dual vanities and separate shower. Washer/dryer are on the first floor. Upstairs you will find 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom. Access the 2-car attached garage from the kitchen. Residents of Lighthouse Commons enjoy Eagle Harbor amenities. Celebration Park is a $1.7 million recreational amenity which includes a junior Olympic pool, water park, clubhouse, 5-acre lake and much more. For more information,